In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Cfgmgr32.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser. Simply search for the missing DLL file and put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down, you'll find for the architecture or system type of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar, type system info. Click on it. Check for the system type and then click the download button corresponding to your system type. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. And then right click, select extract all. Click on extract. Then right click on the DLL file, copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder, double click. Scroll down to the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. And then right click and then select paste. Now once done, restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type. Click on the folder icon. And simply double click on that setup file to install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.